of angle versus torque, where I have 60 degrees as the minimum angle and 360 is the maximum. What should happen is you'll see the red light come on telling me I failed, that I didn't achieve 60 degrees before I got to the 1 Newton meter threshold. And there we failed. The reason that we failed is minimum angle was not met. Okay, now I can go back to the computer and say we'll do that again. This time it's waiting for us. Blue is ready. I'm just going to open up by hand these slots so I get just past 1 Newton meter, which is the threshold torque. Right now the computer says there's 1.3 Newton meters of torque, and if I turn this tool on with these slots open at 1.3 Newton meter, when I get past that 360 degree limit, I should fail and the tool should turn off. There's my failure, and the reason for it is that the maximum angle of 360 degrees was exceeded before I reached the target torque of 2.25. Okay, so we'll say again, close the apertures. We should go blue here. And now I've backed this nut up, I'm going to do another rundown, and since I've backed it up and relieved the tension on the spring, we should be able to perform a good fastening event. There's our green for good. And that's how you can use the same technology, non-contact technology, low-cost, robust, in a tool, a continuous drive tool, or a discontinuous drive tool like an impact wrench, to do a torque angle controlled fastening event.